Go on. Live right.
What's going on? What's the crack? So yeah, we crushed a Hyundai accident. Sadly, the car was just sitting around and we were too lazy to fix it, so it got taken away by the claws, and it's pretty depressing seeing it getting taken away because of the crack we had with it. But yeah, one of our mates actually spotted it in the scrapyard a couple of hours later, then just sitting there, and it looked pretty sorry. So we're in a bit of a situation. You'll notice from this video that the vlogs are more than a year behind now. It'll actually be a year and 4 months behind, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start releasing the videos weekly, or I'm going to try at least. It's not really a bad complaint having that much excess footage, but when things are really starting to progress with the car, I don't want to be hiding the car from people. So yeah, I'm going to do a video every week until we're at least just a couple of months behind, or until I go insane. We are throwing some sneak peek stuff up on our Instagrams and stuff, so yeah, when the names pop up, like here, there's nothing here, but yeah, follow us on Instagram, and yeah, we're putting stuff up on our stories and stuff like that. Yeah, I've moved back to my hometown, so they've been building a bridge for a few years in New Ross, and that has enabled me to move home. That means I'm going to be out in the shed a lot more on my car, so lots more time to try and get the 8.6 finished. Another reason why I want to speed the vlogs up, because if we're doing more work out in the shed, the videos are going to be more and more backlogged, and I really don't want that. So yeah, that's kind of great for me. I've lived up here for 4 years, and I can finally move home and not try and work on the car in a small amount of time over the weekend.
How you doing?
I bought the fucking wheels cleaner, man.
What are you up to?
Oh, I'm on to get into character.
What are you doing?
What just yourself?
Are
I thought I'm giving on now shine up, you know yourself.
you giving the wheel a clean?
They'll tell you they're a vintage day on tomorrow.
Are you going in the car?
I will. They said they're an old car park in there because I don't think she'll get in on the grass. I sure will give it a fucking go anyway, isn't that what they say?
Go on. Live right.
We're going to Mondello again, because we only have one racetrack in Ireland. Sorry, one racetrack. Then Japfest is on. I'm bringing the March. It's actually sunny out, so yeah, we're going to go look at a load of cars and complain. Would you race? Would you? I'll race ya! Run! I'll race ya! I'll fucking race you now! Whoa! I'm winning! I'm pulling fifth! Ah! The main way up to Mondello Racetrack has a fucking single lane bridge, and they've just kept the bridge and they just use traffic lights to let the single lane cross. Watch, this is hilarious. Yeah, it's like a bridge from the 1700s. They never bothered changing it. There's about 200 cars in just a massive line trying to get in. We're fashionably late. Oh, we're moving.
Church.
Actually, we're late for Mass. Good Sunday as well. Just surfing the car. That song is playing in the car.
As well?
Yeah, we tuned into it. 7.5 radio station around.
This is gonna... No ball. The back is the best part. It's just the fucking. Nicest colour ever. Ooh, this small pit lane is stylish. Oh wow. Hi. Oh, and we're here. Welcome. Oh, welcome. Stand next to it there and we get a measurement. Jesus, you're about the same height as the pipe. Starlet man with the lures. Very nice.
Imagine what could have been if you didn't drop the wheel over. Wow, incredible. Paul McCartney, 86.3 for Forest Line, but
Yeah, so this is definitely the biggest Japfest in history. It just has been extended off down here, fucking over here. This is the fucking best thing ever, like. Fuck man, what a nice colourway. It's nice, I like it. Should read the story out to people.
The current owner, Mrs. Ollie Delaney, purchased the car in December 2017 after a full service, new brakes, carburettor and CV joints. It was back on the road, it's used regularly and recently completed many long terms.
That's pretty cool. I was just getting really far away. Oh. This is the best Japfest ever.
Best ever. We're having such a great day.
Yeah, it does. It does. Some yoke. What's going on? VR 3, 2, 4. how's it going? Welcome to Mondello, where it's going to rain every time you're here.
It's a squidgy now, though.
Yeah, special. It's raining. This is the magic of Japfest. Every time you come to Mondello, it rains. Even if it's the sunniest day ever, it will rain for a few minutes. Like what's happening now.
You getting in, are you? Are you getting in?
Hold on now.
Hey, get in now.
Have you space?
I made a space on me.
Jesus, Neil, this is how you're getting the economical at all. Spread out, lad. We got the flower, man.
We're gone. We're up the road.
Well, so herself had an old towel there.
So I can't get at me light anymore. The light, I can't get in at the button. The light is fucked.
She's spacing enough all the time.
She is when you take it out of it, all the back stuff. Only you'd be safe. I've no bars up the front, only here.
Or to the sort of a kind of a safety frame.
Yeah. Smokey, yo! We'll get a GAA handshake of this now. Congratulations, man. Thank you very much for the support.
Last one.
Last one of these.
And it's fucked.
And it's fucked. You'll have to pick that bit
You'll
out
have to do
yourself.
that now, look at it.
That's still in there. It's just we forgot to take it out. It was
And
late.
the best thing about it is still a fiver.
I really appreciate your feedback and your comments last week on the 8-6 episode. It was nice to do something different and nerd out with an episode, and yeah, it's cool to see the feedback. Here comes the rain. We're aiming to have the shop open maybe the end of March, just trying to wrap a few things up there. Like I said, time is the biggest enemy. I wish I had more time to do all this stuff, but yeah, we're going to try and push to have it all back up and running for March. I'm pretty excited about moving home. That means that there's a lot more time on projects and just being out in the shed and getting a lot more stuff done in the car. Hopefully editing the vlogs every week won't drive me completely insane either, but we'll see how it goes. Thanks for being here for this long, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this episode. See you next week. Goodbye.